Good morning students and parents. Myself Heta Desai. I am the class teacher of Standard First. Now during this lockdown, as you all cannot attend the school, we will be giving you the online classes from our homes. You have been studying various subjects by various teachers throughout these days, right? But from today we will be starting the new academic session 2021. So every day you will be receiving 2 lectures of 2 different subjects. The timetable that has been given to you in the Tenno. So follow that timetable, and every day whatever videos the teachers are posting, go through it and study along with it. So before starting the regular studies and academics, what I will do today is I'll give you the brief introduction of all the subjects and all the books that we will be studying throughout. So it will be easier for you to identify according to the timetable whenever a teacher is telling that today we will be studying this subject. So you will be able to identify all the books and notebooks that we are having. So let us start with that first, and then we can go on with our studies. Okay, so starting with English, the subject English, you will be having 2 books, that is English 1 and English 2. English 1, whenever I say that today we will be studying English 1, whenever in the timetable we will be studying English 1, this is the book, Mastering Grammar. This is English 1, in which we will study all the grammar parts of English. Then there is English 2. For English 2, we have this book, Fragrance. So whenever we are studying English 2, this is the literature part in which there will be stories and poems. And along with this book, you will require a notebook, a 4-line notebook. Now you have received the notebooks with the set. Now what I want you to do is, you will prepare a notebook for the subjects that I am telling you. Now English 2, that is the Fragrance. For that you will require to maintain a notebook. In that, what you will do on the first page, write your name and write the name of the subject. Draw a smiley on the first page of the English notebook. Your English notebook will be symbolized by your smiley, because there will be other notebooks also, and so for you, I am telling you that you will not get confused. So draw a smiley on the English notebook. Then there will be EVS. This is the book of EVS, My Amazing Book of Environmental Studies. Now along with this textbook, you will require to make a notebook. So in this notebook, what you will do is, you will draw a tree and write EVS. See, the reason that I am telling you to make 2 different notebooks and draw a symbol is because you will not get confused. Whenever I tell that write in your EVS book, I will also tell along with it that it is your tree book. So it will be easy for you to remember. So draw a tree on one 4-line book and write EVS. For this also similar, we will prepare a 4-line notebook. Now, then for mathematics. For mathematics, this is the textbook. The most of the part will be covered in this textbook only, because it is having a lot of exercises. So along with it, you all have received a square notebook in the set. So that will be the maths notebook. Now after that, computer, reboot. This is the computer textbook. For this, no notebook is required. We will be doing it in the textbook only. Then general knowledge. This is the GK textbook. For this also you don't need to prepare a notebook. Then these are the books which will be of oral exam. There will be no written exam for this book. That is Living in Harmony, VE. That is, there will be different stories in it. Then cursive writing. This book is for cursive handwriting practice, and along with that I will be giving you homework from this book also. Every day or maybe every week I'll tell you to do some pages from out of it, which will be done in homework. Then let's converse. This is the ESL. So you have seen that in the timetable, that is ESL is written. What is ESL? ESL is this Let's Converse, for English speaking language. So that this is also oral. We will be practicing oral conversations and oral English speaking in this book. So students, I have shown you the books and the subjects that you will be studying, and the notebooks also, for which subjects you will be required to prepare the notebook. Along with that, there will be Hindi and art and craft also. So Hindi, Meena ma'am will be teaching you, and for that also a double line notebook is given in your set. From today, I welcome you all to my class and we will be studying together. So happy learning, dear students. Thank you.